Let's talk about irrigation once again, because we mentioned the agreement that was signed in Bologna during EMA between the Mezza Group and Farmfront. We have Daniel Neves with us. He is in charge of Farmfront. We know that Mezza Group is very much present, but also Farmfront is an important company. Yes, Farmfront has a very interesting partnership. Farmfront is a company that has a very strong European heart, an Italian heart, because we have our HQ in Italy. We were born from an investment carried out by an American investment group, Carlyle Group, and they decided to invest in irrigation to build up Farmfront, which is a group of many European brands, Italian, French, Spanish brands in the world of mechanical irrigation, reels, motor pumps, pivots, and so on. And this is the idea was the idea of the first, or during the first year. But Farmfront was born with an idea of spanning the board. We are seeing climate change. Everybody can see that. And also man has done some damage, but that's another thing to talk about. We will have to try and find technological solutions also to save our water resources. Have innovation to use less water. What you say is quite right. In fact, the world of irrigation has to adapt to the new reality. And first of all, things were concentrated on the individual technology of each company. Rather, we have to concentrate on the individual needs of the individual farmer. And every system will and every farmer will need a particular system, but not only of water, but also feeds and so on. If we do this well, the world will thank us a great deal. How can you manage to be operational? How do you go out and find what the requirements of the farmers are? Do you go to them, and who uses the final product? And what their needs are? Well, this is the great thing about our partnership, because first and foremost, we have to ask the farmer what the problem is, what that he wants us to solve it, rather than sell him what we've got. So it's the form that changes. While I explain what I can do, first of all, before I do that, I have to understand what he wants. And this changes the way that we sell irrigation systems. We have to really understand what the farmer needs. And then, of course, all of us work with dealers. Of course, we don't work directly with the farmer, but the dealer has to be able to put forward the right solutions. Obviously, we think about the fact there are many differences, but if you take one crop or another, so Italy is different from France, is different from Kazakhstan, from Chile. So every country is different. We have specific areas where there is less or more rain, more water, less water, the quality of water changes. These are all areas where irrigation, if it has many topics. Thank you, Daniel Neves, who is one of the managers of Farmfront. We once again talked about irrigation, but we'll be talking about irrigation yet again.